Hello YouTube and welcome to a new tech unboxing video. Today we have gotten the ROG Delta S Animate headset, part of its Delta headset line. So being part of the Delta line of ROG, there are 3 different versions currently. Just the base model, the ROG Delta Core, would be about $150. And the 2 other Deltas, the Delta S, costing about $370 Australian, and the Delta S Animate costing the same amount, $370. The Delta S Animate does not replace the ROG Delta S, as it's its own system. This one has a dot matrix animated display, and the Delta S has a full RGB spectrum side panel. So looking at the box, we could see that it's an animated side panel, and as we could see, mini LEDs, quad DAC gaming headset. So this could work for gaming like PlayStation 5 support and any other system that plugs in by USB Type-C or the Type-A adapter. So it features the ASUS AI noise cancelling microphone with full balance sound, quite good DAC, ESS 9281 quad DAC, so that seems to be quite good, and what they call the anime matrix display for the animated side panel display. There's replaceable ear cushions, as well as showing all of the devices that I could work with, including PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, practically anything running USB Type-C. Let's get into the box itself. So we just open it right up. It opens up just like this. They really do like the unboxing experiences from gaming devices, since they do put a lot of thought into it. And yeah, that's quite a cool little message for the Delta S headset. So designed and tested by professional gamers to immerse you fully into the thrilling experience, next level of gaming mastery. Game on. And yeah, that even this thing, it's like really cool in design. The light really reflects off it quite a lot. Just like quite cool, really cushiony back. So we'll just take out the headset. It is a wired headset, so there we go. And that would be the anime matrix display, or just anime display is what they call it. Really cool. We do get a bit of the ROG logo in the corner already, without the lights. But in terms of what it feels like really comfortable. And these are shaped D cushions, which are meant to be a bit more comfortable. And of course the ROG logo on the inside of the ear cushions. These gaming brands will never let you forget that they are gaming headsets, with their logo plastered everywhere, including the top, Republic of Gamers, and on the inside here as well, ASUS. So the side, this is left, this is right, as shown on the headsets. And that's actually quite a smooth feel, not tight. but it's also not the exact smoothest, but it's still quite a good experience. So the audio of this is powered by a 50mm neodymium driver, and we have a fixed USB Type-C cable. Fixed meaning that you cannot remove it. And I actually do like that these have physical keys and buttons, because I don't tend to like the touch ones all too much. So the physical ones, for me, is a lot better in terms of usability. So there's one more box inside the box. Let's just have a look what is inside here. More cushions. The manual. Warranty card. Silica gel. And yeah, these are actually different material to the ones that are pre-installed, so that's actually quite cool that they give you an option of which ear cushion you want, and it's right out of the box, so they need to buy an extra. So there are a difference in these cushions, one of them being the ROG hybrid fabric, and this one here is the ROG fast cooling protein leather. Really cool that they include both of them. So from listening to it, I'll probably have to figure out which one for me sounds better. And last but not least, the USB Type-C to Type-A adapter. The cable length of this braided cable being 1.5 meters, and the adapter adding another 1 meter. They're a bit disappointing though how the cable from the actual headset is a braided cable, but then the adapter is just a regular cable. It's not braided. It would have been cool if they actually matched, since it actually came out from the same box. The last thing that came with the package was this ROG metal stand. The separate unit came separate from the box, and when you buy it, you may or may not get this headset stand. But yep, this is the ROG branded one, and some assembly is required. Quite easy build, not too many parts. So the sleek stand is built, and the headset just goes right on. ROG branded, and yeah, it's actually, you could fit 2 on here. There's enough space for 2. Just to test if what I said was correct, I did bring out my other headset, another one, the ROG Fusion 700, so same brand, different series. Just put that on, and there we go, 2 headsets on 1 stand. So it works. So I will be using this headset with my phone, since it's a USB Type-C headset, but it is USB Type-C and not the 35mm jack, because you cannot transfer power through the 35mm jack, unfortunately. It would have been nice if it does have used like a 35mm jack, but for this one, I guess I could forgive it because of the animated side display. On my phone, the ROG Phone 2, they have the audio wizard I could put up. So I could set the headphone profile, and it's actually already got it the ROG Delta. Oh, that's actually kind of interesting. I didn't set that yet. So it must have already picked up the headset. One thing that I seem to have forgotten of and was hiding inside the box was the actual microphone. So it is a removable microphone, and it is plugged in right easily and moves around quite a bit. So it's actually quite flexible that you could actually just take it out when you're not using it. Just put it in when you have to use it. So if it's not doing anything, you could either have it like static, or you could have it as this special animated logo, which is kind of cool. This is the pre-built one, not anything that you could add in yet, but you actually can create your own to put to this headset. So testing out the sound wave function of the headset, it is actually kind of cool. The sound from the headset is actually quite loud, so I found that I could use it as a small external speaker as well, and you get this cool lighting effect. So in my tests, it does seem like the sound seems to be quite clear and crisp when I've been wearing it on my head. It sounds quite good. I thought it wouldn't sound as clear, but it actually sounded really good. But it's also maybe because this phone has a profile already for the Delta S series. So that actually could be another factor, that the sound profile works really well with the DAC in the phone as well as in the headset itself. So since they're both ROG, they probably both matched, and has a really good already set sound profile. With the Anime Matrix display currently, it seems to be still quite a new platform for the customization. So even though you can personalize your own like animated thing yourself, there still yet isn't much content that you could download, like third-party animations. There are many for the anime display for like the Zephyrus G14 laptop, but I couldn't seem to find many at all for the Animate. Maybe because it's too niche at current, but yeah, that might be a reason why you wouldn't want one of these, because there isn't too much of a platform yet for it. Overall, I really do like this headset. This actually could be my go-to for sound after my ATH M50Xs. But yeah, this is quite a good solid headset, really good mids and highs, and really good bass. But yes, again, it actually could be down to the sound profile that was already preloaded in the audio center for my phone. The lack of new animations is a bit of a niche currently, since it is still quite a new platform. Of course, the Anime Matrix on the G14 laptops seem to be a bigger thing currently, but yep, that's a laptop, not a headset. I'm just hoping to see more content released for the headset. Otherwise, I might just personalize one myself, maybe with my YouTube logo. So if you're looking for the Delta S series, you can't go wrong with any of the Delta S series headsets, since they all go by the same sound profile. So you could just get the core, which is just the normal headset without any additional flashy side panels. The Delta S with the full RGB headset for the ear cup. Not really completely full, but around the actual ear cup itself. And the monochrome Anime Matrix display of the Animate. So that's the Delta series line of ROG headsets. Really good sound. It's actually much better than I thought. So if you like this type of unboxing videos, I do tend to do a lot of unboxings of tech as well as a lot of limited edition collectibles, since that's kind of my hobby. So yep, if you like this type of content, like and subscribe to my channel. I plan to be posting a lot more currently than I actually used to, which was not as common. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.